we are getting ready to make some watermelon popsicles for the kids. As you know, they are home in the summer and this is a fun project for you to do. So now I'm gonna get my watermelon together and then I will come on back so we can start making this popsicle. So this is the rest of my watermelon and this is what I will be using for my ice pops, otherwise called popsicles. See how nice and red it is? This is good indication that this watermelon is very, very sweet. All right. Over here, I have my watermelon all diced. And now I'm gonna add them to my blender cup. Guys, no water needed, as you know, the watermelon is all water. So just add your melon to your cup and you are good to go. And this is what it's looking like so far after blending. These are my popsicle cups and I have some sticks here that I bought into the department store. So now I am going to pour my mixture in the cup over here. So now we are getting ready to stick this in the refrigerator to solidify it so that we can get that nice, beautiful red popsicles. So here you go, guys. This is your popsicle in the tray. And we are going to stick this in the refrigerator until it is all frozen. So look how pretty this is, all made from watermelon, guys. So be creative, get the kids involved, and these are little projects that you can do with the little ones. And now that they are home, so let's stick this in the refrigerator and I will show you the finished look a little later. All right, remember to like, comment, subscribe, touch up your notifications so that you could be notified when I upload. All right. So my ice pop is out of the refrigerator, and this is what they're looking like. So I'm gonna wet it with some water to get it out the container. So what you want to do is twist just like this, and then you're gonna just pull. See? So this is my first one. Let's try another one. Twist and pull right out the container. Twist, pull. So you see, guys, this is easy. Pull, twist, pull. That one came out. That one is a little stubborn. This one came out easily. So it means that I'm gonna have to wet this one some more. Okay, here we go. Isn't that nice? And I'm pretty sure, and I can guarantee you, the kids are going to have a ball with these. Not too sweet, not too fresh, just right. Straight watermelon. All right. And now I'm gonna try one to see how it is. Wow, this is nice. It has the real watermelon taste. So this is ideal if you're going outside and you just need something to lick on that is nice and refreshing and cool. I think you should try this in your own kitchen. So there you go, guys. Watermelon icy. And this is how it's looking. So all you need, guys, is some watermelon, popsicle sticks, and a container like this, and you're good to go. You can get this at the dollar store, and that's all you need. So once again, thanks for watching, and I see you in my next one. Bye-bye.